Welcome to Airailimages Video Magazine. I'm Fred Johnson, and I'll be your host. The escort carrier USS Saidor, CVE-117, provided photo aircraft for the 1946 Crossroads nuclear tests. The ship served as a floating photo lab during the tests.
Aboard the carrier USS Saidor, the stage rises in a full-dress rehearsal for photographers and pilots who will take part in Operation Crossroads when atom bombs will be dropped on Bikini Atoll. Since literally thousands of cameras will be used to photograph the tests from every possible angle, split-second coordination will be required of pilots and cameramen, and traffic will be congested on the flight deck when the great day arrives. To help clear the decks faster, catapults are used. The pilots of these torpedo bombers have been repeatedly briefed. There's never any let-up in landing practice on a carrier. In a second, you'll see why. And just to show that life on a carrier is never monotonous, watch this. It's all part of the tune-up.
Whether your budget is large or frugal, inevitably a video producer must replace equipment that breaks or wears out. After using a Takstar SGC-598 shotgun microphone on airshow and railroad videos for several years, the mic finally died. We took it apart, looking for any obvious breaks in wiring or solder joints, but ultimately it was a goner. We got a lot of use out of that inexpensive microphone we bought on Amazon several years ago for under $30, so we replaced it with another one of the same brand, just in time for the upcoming Warbird Roundup. The cost has moved just north of $30 this time, but the mic is still a surprising piece of gear at a low price. One additional piece of kit you will need if you use the Takstar or any similar shotgun mic outdoors is a furry wind muff, sometimes called a dead cat. Take a look at this video of aircraft arriving at the Boise airport the other day, where we tested the new Takstar to make sure that it is working fine. U.S. Army air crews assigned to 1st Battalion, 214th Aviation Regiment, 12th Combat Aviation Brigade deployed to Turkey between 10 and 19 August 2021 to assist with aerial firefighting support. Hey, we travel Nevada a lot, and there's a lot more to Nevada than just Las Vegas. We like the smaller towns. This is Elko. Take a look at the Western Pacific GP9 on display behind me. There's another thing that Elko has at night. Neon, classic neon on a lot of the establishments. Take a look. Well, that's it for Airailimages Video Magazine. Thank you for watching.